visita muchos turistas. Hace mucho calor, es muy popular y hay muchos volcanes. Okay. I don't have that question. La Palma, the major sites, it's National Park. It's National Park Caldera de Granite with huge it has a huge volcanic crater. The Roque de los Muchachos, it's the island's highest mountain. It's 2,426 meters high. It's astrophysical
observatory.
Has the most ample and modern equipment of telescopes to be found anywhere in the world. El Hierro is the smallest island. It's famous for its waters. The Biosphere Reserve designation is home to natural swimming pools and crystal clear waters, ideal for swimming and scuba diving. El Mapaso, the central tableland with volcanic crater and nice woods, and it's the highest peak. Tenerife is the largest island. Mount Tide, so volcano, it's dominated by the 3,718 meters high with a mighty crater. Tide is not only the highest mountain of all Spain, but no, it's not only the highest volcano in all of Spain, but also the highest mountain with over the Atlantic Ocean. Its fertile valleys, the sides of the mountain range which crosses the islands, there are extremely fertile valleys with important plantations of bananas and tomatoes. I don't know how to pronounce that. Its old history has the longest beaches of all, and has the wonderful sand. It's by the African continent. Only a narrow channel separates the island from the African continent, and it's paradise. It's the best place to spend holidays. You could visit the capital, Puerto Rosario, and then there was a World Cup that happened there. Lanzarote, its landscape, it's very different, not only compared to the other islands, but to everything else. This beautiful landscape seems to be of another planet. There's legends. The inhabitants of the island used to say the gods forgot of Lanzarote on the seventh day of the creation, and the volcanic origin here. Volcanoes have been active since the 18th and 19th century, and then Urea is a vineyard.